Hey guys, Arbtronics here, and we have power. We have power and also water, which I'll talk about in a second. Right now, the only outlet that's really in, and the only circuit that's on, is this guy right here. Oh, actually, and the water pump is on too. But the electricity is here, and it works. And it's great. So I can actually run things without tethering power from, someplace else. Here's the pressure tank. So basically the water line comes in, goes through some piping. This is actually, they used PVC. This is actually the third time that they've done this. I had to have them come back twice because apparently they can't, roughen some plumbing without it leaking. Whatever. They had this stuff the whole way along with, joint there, joint there, joint there, joint there. But it was leaking, like, I don't know. I mean, so eventually after the second time, they redid it out of PVC pipe. So right now I just have it hooked up to a garden hose to run outside. But the point of this, if you've never seen one of these pressure tanks or expansion tanks, is basically a place to regulate the pressure of the water inside the house. So basically the well pump pumps water directly into this tank, and as soon as the pressure gets to a predetermined threshold, the pump will shut off. This is the relay for the pump. And once that happens, the pressure for the house just gets maintained by this. It's got basically air in the top, and then it's got like a bladder on the inside, and then the rest has water. And the air in the top is pressurized, so as the water starts going down, the air pushes, and then when the pressure gets low enough, this will kick back on, start filling it back up with water, and you kind of maintain this balance like that. So the next thing I'm going to do is just make sure once again that the PEX doesn't have any leaks, and then we can actually hook up the hot water heater, which is going to go here. I'll have to get some blocks to balance that out. But that's going to go there, and actually hook the lines up to the top of the manifold, and then we'll have actual, running water into the house whenever we need it, which hopefully will be soon. So anyway, that's all I have for you for now. As always, thanks for watching. See ya.